Breaking news! The service lift number 4 at Mall Ambassador has been up and running as of March 5th, exactly on the first week of March as stated on the time schedule table released in January. But this time, unlike any other lifts that got replaced or modernized by Sigma earlier, this particular new lift is a generic. How does it look? Take a look.
Doors closing. Going up. Level 6. Doors opening. Doors closing. Going down. Level 4. Doors opening. Doors closing.
After this, the replacement of service lift number 5 will begin next week, March 16th to be exact according to a source. So, from now until March 16th, enjoy the era of ghost calls and do farewell takes. Until then, see you next time and as always, never trust a generic.